strangers, good morning. Welcome to the happiest place on earth, Disneyland. My name's Jake.
I'm Georgia.
We're a British couple who live in Canada, and today we're at Disneyland.
We are at Disneyland.
We have been here for the last 5 days on our Southern California adventures, and today is our last day in the Disneyland Resort. So we're going to make the most of it. We've just purchased Lightning Lane. We have just made our first reservation for Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin. We are going to try and do as much as possible in one last day. So
this is Jake's day to shine.
we've got a lot to do. So let's go. Woo! First stop, Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin. Did you enjoy that?
That was wild.
There's a lot going on that ride.
That's true.
That was definitely. So we were in and out in, I think, less than 5 minutes, and we are already ready to go on Big Thunder Mountain. It's going to be a fun day. And as we arrive at Big Thunder Mountain, get notified that it is currently closed and we can use our Lightning Lane somewhere else. So let's go find something else to do. Okay, in our moment of planning, we have booked Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I think that's about an hour's time. We're going to go and get something to eat, which we've just mobile ordered from the Red Rose Tavern. And we now have that multiple experiences pass, so we could use that on something like Indiana Jones that,
Space Mountain.
or Space Mountain that have the longest queues right now.
Yeah. So I got the main Purdue platter with hickory smoked bacon. That was $13.99, and Jake got the Mickey shaped pancake with a sausage and some chalky milk. That was $9.49.
Don't judge me. I'll eat it because it's Mickey shaped, and because it's basically a kid's meal, and that's pretty much my diet.
Perfect. How is Disneyland?
It's gotten very busy now. Very quickly, very busy. Yeah.
But the sun has come up, so it's okay.
We're going to use our multiple experience pass at Space Mountain.
Yeah, now that our bellies are full with syrup
Pancakes
and
syrup.
pancakes and French toast.
Yeah, and
We'll go on the wildest roller coaster in Disneyland.
yeah, pretty much. Okay, whoopsie daisies. You can only use multiple experiences in other like kind of similar attractions. So because Big Thunder broke down, we could go on Autopia, Buzz Lightyear, Haunted Mansion, Millennium Falcon, Pirates, or Star Tours. We cannot use it on Indiana Jones, Matterhorn, Mickey and Minnie, Peter Pan, Space Mountain, Rise of Resistance, or Tiana's. So, whoops. But we can go and use it somewhere else, so that's fine. Okay, we're going to do Buzz Lightyear instead. So, it's redeemable. The list says it. Don't tell me off. We're going Buzz Lightyear. Let's go.
Let's see if I can redeem myself from last time, because last time I didn't do too well. Here you see a Disney adult hard at work, making the most of his Lightning Lane purchases.
I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission.
Okay, let's go defend the galaxy.
determine your rank. And don't forget to holster those blasters.
Good job. Okay, here we go back into Toontown for Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railway. Right back to it.
The Lightning Lane grind never stops.
Hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
So we just stepped into Galaxy's Edge to use the washroom before Thunder Mountain, and my impulsiveness took over. Yeah, nice. I almost drank it all because you took so long in the bathroom. Big Thunder, let's try this one again. See if you'll let us on this time.
For you for the train. Yeehaw!
Many of you folks are wearing hats and glasses. Best remove them, because this is the wildest ride in the wilderness. But it's just a good idea. Thunder's so good. It is the best ride. We have made our next Lightning Lane. We're going to be heading over to DCA. We're going to be going on Guardians of the Galaxy in about an hour, which we must have gotten someone's cancellation because I had looked at trying to move it. The next available time is 6 PM, so
We got lucky.
we randomly got lucky. However, we are now going to go stand in line for Disneyland's newest attraction, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. So we might be on the phone because I don't think I necessarily want to get this camera wet. It changed to 60 minutes and they're queuing all the way out beyond the entrance. So we'll come back later. So with Tiana's being
A 60-minute wait.
60 instead of 30, we decided just to go straight over to Guardians of the Galaxy. So we'll spend some more time over in DCA. We are definitely coming back to Disneyland today though. There is
Yes, we are.
still so much to do.
100%.
Yeah, we will go on Tiana's.
I know.
Right,
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's view this guy.
Hearing your incessant slandering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! What was... That was not part of the plan! Waiting for...
I can unplug you and start things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. I'm afraid. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay, I got.
Okay, we are off of Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. Did you have fun?
I did have fun.
It was fun. Last second, as the doors closed, he says, no cameras. So I went into a panic of not knowing what to do with my camera. So whatever footage was there.
Pretty
was
sure we
an
filmed on that
accident.
one before, but
I've not. I get very afraid.
Jake's a stickler for the rules.
I don't want to break the rules. Mickey knows. Mickey knows when you break the rules. Someone was lifting their feet up and they yelled at them like 3 times during the ride.
All times, middle row, feet down at all times.
Yeah,
So
Middle row, feet down, middle row.
don't lift your feet up on Mission Breakout.
Feet down.
Anyway, let's go get something to eat, and then next we have Incredicoaster book.
Yeah, we keep doing this trend of eating and then going on a roller coaster straight away.
And we've been fine until now.
Oh yeah. So we've got a cookies and milk cold brew, which is adorned with my love Baymax. We also went for a sourdough bread bowl and mac and cheese, which I think is a staple at DCA. They've got the Boudin bakery behind us, so all the bowls are baked fresh each day, and mac and cheese.
I'd say that was successful.
We did our best.
You enjoy it?
Yeah. I love
Back in our favourite land at DCA to ride our favourite ride. After being filled with bread and cheese.
Oh,
Maybe it wasn't a great idea, but
I said this.
we live and we learn.
What did I say?
Yeah.
The little one returns. Thank goodness.
How's your cheese and bread feel?
I'm very introduced it to myself.
We are making our way to Soarin over California. Or is it over the world?
I don't know.
We'll find out. We're making our way to Soarin. for a scenic view of either the world or California. And
What are you gonna book next?
I don't know. Everything's kind of pretty far away at this point, so yeah, I don't know.
We started today with the hopes and dreams that it would be quiet enough that we wouldn't need Lightning Lane, and now it's become obvious that fine, it was a good choice.
Yeah, I'd say so.
An expensive choice.
What a choice.
This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little babies. Next, fasten your seatbelts and turn them into the buckle on your right.
Ready to go soaring?
Yeah.
Around the world.
Wow.
Like,
5 minutes.
in like, yeah, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Not bad. You enjoy soaring around the world?
Yeah?
Shall we go try and get a drink?
We can try.
Yeah, we can try. We joined the Carthay Circle Lounge walk-up list and they called us whilst we were on the ride, so we'll see if they let us back in. We'll go in. So the drinks have arrived here at Carthay Circle Lounge. Georgia has gone for the classic Mai Tai. I got the citrus berry punch, which is Pim's #1 liqueur, Plymouth gin, strawberry and lemonade served over crushed ice. We've just left Carthay Circle Lounge. It was pretty loud and just not an amazing experience. The drink was really nice. Did you enjoy yours?
The drink was really nice and
Yeah.
the server was lovely.
She really was, but yeah, I don't know. The guests nearby were pretty loud. It was hard to hear yourself think, to be honest. We are heading to WebSlingers. We have a Lightning Lane. Sorry. And, we're gonna go get a little arm workout.
Oh yeah, oh my god. I don't think I'm ready for this. I can't have sore legs and a sore arms.
Sore legs, sore arms. We're just getting the whole package. So who's going to win this?
You.
I don't know. I don't feel like I'm very good at this one. Oh, the lighting's not great. Maybe we'll both lose.
We've not had enough practice at this one.
No, true. So it's a mystery.
Your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker.
Everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in something additional. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, Chuck.
Well, you look like an Avenger.
I'm glad to see you guys.
I did something right. Jake, Georgia, good job everyone. That certainly is an arm workout.
I'm tired now.
Yeah, I need to lie down. But you can't because you're at Disney. So let's go see what we can get up to next. What have you done?
Well, I booked us a Lightning Lane for Radiator Springs Racers.
How much did that cost?
I don't want to talk about it.
She's so cheeky. I just went to the bathroom for like 5 seconds.
I know, but you've not been feeling well, and I wanted to make sure that you had a good time, and it's our last day. We're leaving California Adventure after this, so.
True. Okay. Well, no, I very much appreciate it. Just so much. I can't believe how much money they charge for these sort of things. Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna go do Radiator Springs Racers.
Just a bad spark plug, Nippy. Radiator Springs.
Not only need to be fast,
You need to look fast. Ka-chow.
Oh, get up there and do us proud.
Uno for the money, uno for the show. Try to get ready and the quattro to go. Give it everything you got. Now roar from Tokyo. Looks like Radiator Springs has a new champ. Congratulations.
We did, Hater. How you fit? We made new friends. We won.
We missed Shaboom, but
We did miss Shaboom. We were getting drinks.
we were at Shabar.
I thought there was like actually something that went on.
Hey, whoa, careful of the wax. I just got detail.
So I think that's probably us doing it California Adventure now.
Yeah, it's time to say goodbye to Pixar Pier.
Yeah. We changed our mind.
We're gonna go to Lamplight Lounge.
I'm doing this angle because it feels menacing. Lamplight.
I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the Scream canister. It's very good.
Nice.
Yeah, you can't taste the alcohol, so it's
That is dangerous. Mine is a thick. I was going to say.
Thick boy.
Yeah, she's a thick boy. We're inclusive. Let's give it a go. That's so refreshing and fruity and lovely. But it's more of like it is a puree. It's not like a blended. It's blended. It's not like an iced. I don't know how to explain it. It's not like a slushy. It is a blended, like it's a
It's
puree.
Like
Smoothie
yeah,
almost.
it's like a
A thin smoothie.
thin smoothie. Yeah, that's the word I was.
It's like a thin smoothie.
I was
and
like
it's-
a juicy smoothie.
It would be really nice on like a warm, sunny day.
Yeah.
But I'm wearing shorts and it's cold.
It's cold.
No, it's good though. Don't mind Georgia and I finding out that there's a secret menu at Lamplight Lounge.
It pays off people.
Yeah, it really does. So what are you gonna get?
So I'm gonna get the Neverland tea,
This looks cute.
and Jake is gonna get the Sea Witch.
The She Witch.
This is from the blog affectingthemagic.com.
Thanks for the tips, guys.
Yeah.
Now we're saying goodbye to Pixar Pier. I know, but this will help.
Drinks make it better.
And they're very generous pourers at Lamplight Lounge, as we found.
are they?
We're heading out of DCA. I know. It's always fun. Always a good time.
We'll next be back. I think that's why I'm so sad.
Well, technically we're back on Friday, but we're not coming into the parks. We'll be checking out the hotels and downtown Disney on Friday. There'll probably be a video. And obviously we've still got a lot more Disneyland to do this evening. We've got another couple hours. Bye DCA. Till next time. Looks like a pretty busy evening. People leaving Disneyland right now.
Okay, we are 7 minutes past our arrival time. Let's see if it works. Woo! I hear a green. Woo! Yes.
Okay, we're going to switch to the phone because this is a non-waterproof camera. Ready to go down the bayou?
Welcome, y'all. Let's get up with Louis and find some musicians for our party. Look out, Bayou, here we come.
Calling on musicians! Man, it's hard to find a band in the dark.
If you're looking for musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the people to go.
Oh god.
We all know she now can play. Hallelujah!
There's a piece of me. I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight.
This is Runaway man can jam.
They sure can play, but we gotta keep searching high and low.
My shoe is underwater. Your teeth are glow in the dark. Oh, this was a bad idea.
We got an actual drop.
These tiny musicians you found.
Well, this was a mistake.
I know, it's all
Yeah,
my
me
other
too.
one now.
Woo! Our entire right side on one drop, our entire left on the other.
Hey, it's Ryan. It's Ryan.
I forgot to tell you, Tiana's broken in this last scene.
Okay, give us a twirl.
I know what you want to see.
Give us a twirl. Lovely. Yes. Beautiful.
The worst part is my right foot. That's the wettest part. Don't get us wrong. We know it's a water ride.
Yeah.
It's just...
Does it have to be so watery?
It's so watery.
And you know what? Every time we go on the Splash Mountain / Tiana's at Disneyland, we're always somehow surprised by how wet we get because it's never that bad.
The back row is the only safe place at Disneyland.
I don't even know if they were safe.
No, it didn't sound like it, to be fair.
The first time that I went on this, I was absolutely drenched head to toe. It was like a tsunami went over my head.
This is true.
And just wiped me out.
Yeah.
And honestly, feels similar today.
Georgia, what did you think of Tiana's compared to Splash Mountain?
I mean, I liked it.
Yeah.
Splash Mountain has a special place in my heart because it's the first big ride that I went on.
Yeah.
And I have a photo in my childhood bedroom of me on it in the one in Florida. And I'm sat with my dad and he's holding me in because I'm so small. It's good. It's a good ride. It's pretty. I get the storyline. I get the find the musician storyline. I just don't think it works very well.
Yeah, that's fair.
I think they could have just told the story of the Princess and the Frog and that would have been a much better ride, but what do I know?
Going on an adventure.
Once you've entered the Chamber of Destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. I will lift the curtain of time. It is your destiny.
You want a Dole Whip?
I always want a Dole Whip.
It's Dole Whip time! We have pineapple, classic, and a strawberry, which wasn't working until they got it working just for us, so cheers.
Have you ever wondered why elephants are so wrinkled? I suppose it's because they're hard to iron.
You weren't expecting that one, were you? How's the classic Dole Whip? Well, I completely inhaled my strawberry Dole Whip. Georgia's still got a ways to go on her pineapple, but we've got Pirates of the Caribbean now. There's not an awful lot of other rides that are still available on Lightning Lane right now, so this might be one of the last ones we get a chance to do, but we'll see. It may only be a 5-minute wait, but we booked last Lightning Lane, so we might as well use it. Woo!
I like the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, it's quite nice in this courtyard. We're ticking off nearly every single Lightning Lane attraction at the Disneyland Resort today. Yeah, we missed a couple of DCA, but that's okay. Yeah, here we go, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Mates, and hold on tight. Hold hands if you can. There'll be squirrels ahead. And maybe Joe.
Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10.
Me eyes on it. Nor this here key neither. Quiet. Fool that I did, by gum.
Pirates of the Caribbean is done. Time to head to Haunted Mansion as we tick off more rides throughout the night. Disneyland is closing in less than an hour, so we're making the most of it where we can and using the Lightning Lane on rides that have a 5-minute queue. Okay, it's a 20-minute wait for Haunted Mansion, so we'll be in them somewhere.
I went on it.
So,
are present.
Stark difference to
Practicing
yesterday.
their terror.
Yeah, if you didn't
with
see the last
foolish
vlog,
delight.
we were like the only people in this room.
That is not the case anymore.
Nope.
As though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
Silly spook, I sit by your side. Into terrorize. Grim ghost not to surprise.
We have just got off Haunted Mansion. As we were walking past New Orleans Square, they announced that they're going to do the projections on the fountains for Mickey's Mixed Magic. We've taken our seats on the wall, and here we go.
Oh, it's brilliant. Ready to party?
Tired now. So we just grabbed a hot cocoa from Stage Door Cafe, and we just decided that we're going to take in one more lap of Disneyland, enjoy our cocoa, as the park has about 10 minutes left until they close.
This is one of our favourite things to do, just wander. Taking the vibes of Disneyland.
Yeah, especially not being able to come down as often as we would like. Flights are expensive. With that, our Disneyland adventure kind of closes. We've had a wonderful day.
Absolutely, it's been my favourite Disney day I've had in a long time.
Yeah. And I don't know if you can see behind us, but security's at the end of Main Street. We are getting swept out of this park. We have overstayed our welcome.
They closed an hour ago.
Well, we've had a great day. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please do consider liking and subscribing. So we hope to see you again soon. I've been Jake.
I'm Georgia.
And we'll see you in the next one. To Galaxy's Edge to get... we just stepped into Galaxy. Yoink. Where have you gone? Come back. For the classic Mai Tai, which is, there's a lot of ingredients here, so bear with me. Stir-fried rum, luxardo, maraschino, and orgeat, almond syrups. There's a lot going on in this drink. Pineapple, fresh citrus juices topped with Mai's original dark rum, garnished with an orange wedge and luxurious cherry. And luxardo cherry. That was really difficult to read.
Ow.
Stop tripping over.